Dear students, today we will discuss one more case derivation of lens formula of convex lens. In previous class, we have discussed lens formula of convex lens when real image is formed. Here, when we will discuss when derived lens formula when virtual image is formed. You know that image is formed virtual when the object is placed between here, in case of lens, optical center and focus of a lens. Suppose we will try to make a diagram here. Here diagram, you know this is optical center and this is the principal axis. It's a double convex lens. It has two center of curvatures and radius of curvature. This for lens 2. This suppose this is focal length f2. This is center of curvature. Here object is placed here. Object is placed between this optical center and focus. ठीक है, ये object है. An object is placed here. Ray of light, suppose AB is the object, it is placed between optical center and focal length. Ray of light falling on it, it gets refracted and passing through focus. This is the principal focal length of this convex lens. This it is double convex. इसका ये focal length है, इसकी ये focal length है, ठीक है. और it must have center of curvature here. Since when it gets refracted here, another ray of light falling through this optical center, it passes straight line. When we produce these rays in the backward direction here, they try to meet here. This is the enlarged, this is the image, enlarged image. Suppose it is A dash, B dash. When we here, this is the enlarged image. This is we know that this is focal, let F or F1, you can say F1. This guy is the center of curvature here, A dash, B dash. Suppose this is one more triangle here. I name this DOF. It follows here. It strikes the lens at point D. Now this is it's not a real image, this is the virtual image, and it is enlarged image, magnified image is formed. Okay, so the object is placed here between optical center and focal length. ठीक है. Again we will try to make those two triangles similar, which मैंने पिछले क्लास में भी आपको बताया. Those two triangles similar which are having common O. Okay, that means ABO and A dash B dash O. And you know that this is the objective distance here U, and this is the image distance here V. This is the focal length F. This is focal length. You know this. And we will try to make those two triangles similar which are having common F. F1 here, F1. That means triangle DOF1 and A dash B dash F1, they are having common. We will try to make these similar. Triangle DOF1 and triangle A dash B dash F1 are similar. ये आपके लिए हिंट है. यहाँ आप तो वो दो ट्रायंगल्स का सिमिलर करने हैं जिसका कॉमन F1 है और कॉमन O है. When triangles are similar, हमें वो नहीं प्रूव करना है, बस they are similar. We know they are similar. When triangles are similar, ratio of the corresponding sides are equal. अगर आपको प्रूव भी करना है, ये एंगल इसके बराबर 90 डिग्री, दिस एंगल इक्वल दिस कॉमन, थर्ड एंगल के बराबर हो गया. फिर when two angles are equal, third is also equal, then that's angle they are similar. हमें वो प्रूव तो नहीं करना है. When triangles are similar, the ratio of their corresponding, I can write OD divided by A dash B dash. इसका corresponding side OD है, इसका A dash B dash is equal to OF1 divided by OF1, ये साइड इसका और इसका है A dash F1. a dash f1. इसका corresponding side ये है, इसका o f1. But here if we see towards the figure, this parallel is OD is equal to AB, but OD is equal to AB. Therefore, instead of OD I can write AB divided by a dash b dash is equal to OF1 divided by A1 F1. I hope you have got it. This is equation first. Now triangle I have taken those two triangles which are having common F1. Now I can take those two triangles which are having common O. हम लिखेंगे triangle AOB similar triangle A dash OB. When triangles are similar, the ratio of their corresponding sides are equal. Therefore, AOB, this A dash OB, this triangle, therefore they are having common O. जिसका कॉमन वो है वो सिमिलर करना है हमें. ये बुक में तो नहीं दिया है, लेकिन इट इज़ फॉर हिंट. इन ऑर्डर टू रिमेंबर, एक कन्फ्यूजन होता है कौन कौन ट्रायंगल मुझे सिमिलर करने हैं. तो आप वो दो ट्रायंगल सिमिलर करो जिसका कॉमन F1 है, वो दो ट्रायंगल सिमिलर करो जिसका कॉमन O है. Since these when triangles are similar, the ratio of their corresponding, I can take a side AB. Therefore, AB divided by A dash B dash is equal to, इसका कॉमन साइड OA divided by OA dash. आप देखो OA divided by OA dash. When I compare equation first with equation second, comparing equation first and second, when I compare these two equations, I can get OF1 divided by A1 F1 is equal to OA divided by OA dash. Since in case of lenses, all distance are measured from the optical center, we have to derive the relation between object distance, image distance, and the focal distance. Object distance, image distance, focal. Everything should be come in terms of UV and F, because I have to derive the relation between UV and F. That means all distance are measured from optical center. Here इसकी ये भी डिस्टेंस ऑप्टिकल सेंटर से मेजर होती है. ये O इसमें से आते हैं, उसमें ये नहीं है. दैट मीन्स आई शुड पुट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ, इसमें O आना चाहिए, ताकि मैं कोई डिस्टेंस तब तक मेजर नहीं करता हूँ जब तक मैं डिस्टेंस कहाँ से नापूंगा, O से ऑप्टिकल सेंटर. बिकॉज दिस रूल है, न्यू का साइन कन्वेंशन रूल है, ऑल डिस्टेंस आर मेजर्ड फ्रॉम द ऑप्टिकल सेंटर ऑफ द लेंस. देयरफॉर A dash F1 can be written. If we look towards the figure, A dash F1 और A dash F1 ये यहाँ से यहाँ तक, ये तो डायरेक्ट ये डिस्टेंस पे मेजर डायरेक्टली नहीं कर सकता. आई कैन स्प्लिट इट. OA1 and OF1, OA dash OF1 is equal to OA dash plus OF1, OA dash plus OF1. I hope you are good, because this distance I cannot measure directly. I can measure it indirectly, because I have to split it into, because I have to measure the distance from the optical center. It can be written as OF1 plus OA1. इसका कोई फर्क नहीं. When I substitute back in the equation, I can get OF1 divided by OA dash plus OF1 is equal to OA divided by OA dash. Now I can use the modern sign conventions or new Cartesian sign convention again. Now using new Cartesian sign conventions, I can use this. Here all distances are measured from the pole. You know this. In optical center, in case of lenses, in case of mirrors, it is measured from the pole. But you know this new Cartesian sign, when we move along the direction of, again suppose ray of light, we are supposing ray of light is coming from left to right. When we move against the direction of light, it is taken as negative. Towards the direction of light, it is taken as positive. And we are supposing the rays are always coming from left to right. Series OF1, if we do towards the figure, OF1, it is we are moving from optical center, but along the direction of light. Is the because ray of light is falling from left to right, we are moving again along the direction. Therefore, OF1 is equal to plus F. I hope you. OA dash, if we look to it, OA dash, it is the image formation, but we are measuring from optical center, but we are moving against the direction of light. Therefore, it is taken as minus V, negative. OA or OA. This is the object distance from optical center, but we are again moving against the direction of light. It is equal to minus U. If I substitute in the above equation we can get, if I substitute in the above equation, I can get here instead of OF I can write here, instead of OF I can write F OA dash is equal to minus V plus OF1, which is plus F is equal to OA minus U OA dash, it is minus V, minus and minus cancel, this we can V into F, VF into plus minus minus UF plus into plus UF, it is UV, sorry, is equal to U into V, UV minus UV plus UF, UV में इस साइड में लाऊंगा, UV is equal to UF minus VF, dividing both sides by UVF, and I divide, it becomes 1 by F, it becomes 1 by V, because UF becomes minus 1 by U, and this is the lens formula, derivation of lens formula of convex lens in case of when virtual image is formed. Because see, we have to take an object between optical center and this principal focus, so that the virtual image is formed. There is only one case where the virtual image is formed when the object is placed between optical center and principal focus. Here this is the image formation, and we have to make the triangle similar as per routine, जिस तरह हमने पिछले क्वेश्चन में भी किया. हिंट आपके लिए ये, दोज टू ट्राइंगल्स वी हैव टू मेक ए सिंपल, विच आर हैविंग कॉमन F1 यहाँ से और कॉमन O है, और जब सिंप्लीफाई करके फिर मुझे आई विल गेट द आंसर 1 by F is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by U. I hope you have got it. Inshallah we meet in the next class, and only one case is remains, that is the concave lens. In concave lens always the virtual image is formed. We will discuss in the next class. Hope inshallah we will meet in the next class. Thank you.